Thank you, Mazda.
I am fat. You don't make me look super fat or almost fat. I know, we both fat.
I need another coronita.
Family.
Who do you think's better, Justice or Darius?
Don't record that.
Alright, X, what we doing today?
Yo, bro, so today we are budget upgrading the brakes on the 6. Factory brakes that this car comes with is a single piston. They're known to warp rotors, so to try to solve this without spending thousands of dollars, I got CX9 brakes. Those are dual pistons, so I'm hoping with that upgrade to get a little better stopping power, but in a very small budget.
Lit. What else? We got one more thing we're doing.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for reminding me.
Rip.
Yeah, we're also replacing both of my axles because, along with warped rotors, lowered Mazdas are known for busting axles regularly. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.
You know, I wonder if mine would work because my steering wheel shakes when I brake.
Probably is, sir.
Oh, you still have the weights on those. Nice. Zach broke mine.
Oh yeah, when he put it on backwards,
Yep.
and you started screaming, and then you didn't talk to him for like a week.
Okay. Bro, like, let's put my business out here, alright?
Wait, you're recording? Thank you, Mazda. So this is the old rotor that came out. The CX9 rotor that's going in is supposed to be about an inch taller, and I think you can kind of see that there.
Yep. Is it thicker
So
too?
obviously, no, I think it's about the same width.
Oh, nice.
Obviously, we get, along with the dual pistons, a bigger braking surface to grab on. So again, just hoping for some better stopping power on a budget. Oh, I didn't say before. Other aftermarket brake kits, Cork Sport, Brembo, Sika. Is it Sika?
I think so.
Seika, something like that. Yeah. Chauncey, you correct me in the comments because I know you'll watch. All of those are gonna run you like $1,000 or more. I got the CX9 calipers on eBay for like $120. Rotors and pads from Rock Auto. So basically, all in all, for the front conversion, ran me just about $500.
That's huge, bro. What about the shield?
Bro, the shield is fucking useless.
Yeah, the shield is useless.
I didn't even think about that.
Alright, Ax, what we doing?
Just want to make sure that's gonna mount up and not hit, and that will be good and clear. So let's see.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
And we have clearance.
no.
That's the axle.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Alright, good.
What I'm doing next, bro.
Alright, so now just take the wheel off, tighten up all the bolts, get everything in place, and then onto the driver's side.
Let's go. Yes, sir. She's got both sides on now. What's next?
Next is to bleed the whole system. I haven't ever flushed the brake fluid in here, so I'm gonna flush the whole system out, get some fresh fluid in there, make sure it's bled so that we get some nice pedal pressure. Harbor Freight for the win.
How much?
I want to say this was like $20, $23, something like that. You can get it on Amazon too, for probably like about the same price.
But for convenience, Harbor Freight. Yeah. If you need it today. Alright, what we doing, bro?
Just trying to touch up the calipers a little bit because I got them really dirty
Nice.
as we were doing the install. So I'm just trying to get another coat of paint on here. Y'all don't judge me with the brush and spray paint because going back to what I said before, this is all budget. Initially I was going to get these powder coated, but when you powder coat them, it damages the seals, so you end up having to rebuild the entire thing. And then also on top of that, I would have ended up with the rears being a different color than the front, because this is my daily. So to get the rears powder coated, obviously I'd have to take them off of the car completely. So yeah, this is just my budget touch-up. I think we'll blend follow up to this video is because I died. Very. I mean, it stopped.
Did it feel different, or?
I won't know until I really hit the road.
What's that noise?
I never torqued down my nuts.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And I'm pretty sure the scraping noise is the heat shield, since the rotor is bigger, it's probably catching.
Oh yeah, we didn't push them back.
Yeah, so I need to push that back and torque down my lug nuts.
Yeah, that's a good
Because,
idea,
you know,
man.
I don't want to die. See what I could get. They need to be bedded in a little bit more.
Yeah.
System could probably use some more bleeding. But otherwise, it feels pretty good.
Feels better, or you just think you need to?
Right now, I think I need to wait. Not 100% sure that I'm feeling a difference yet, but again, the pads are new, the rotors are new.
Yeah.
We gotta give it some time to bed in.
We'll do an update video, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
Sick. It looks fucking clean. Alright, well, I think that's it for this video, right? Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm definitely going to be making more about X's car. Kind of want to do a walk around. I was actually going to make that today to edit it later, but unfortunately because of the weather I couldn't go ahead and make that video. So it just gives me an excuse to go hang out again and make that walkthrough video of his car. But if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below, and you guys already know the drill. Let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.